Do you have a fixed income? A debilitating handicap? A physical disability? A new business looking to get started on the right foot? A struggling business due to recent events? A youth after-school activities sports league that needs consistent funding, local visibility, and support? An orphanage or foster care facility? A church community or missionary project? A restaurant, bar, or local entertainment venue? Something not mentioned above? Are you a financially struggling parent? A college student looking for more? A starving artist, musician? A caregiver for elderly or mentally challenged persons groups? An events coordinator needs to connect with others more effectively. A person that just wants to create more abundance for their life and the ones you care about? We have something special. An offer that will change your life. It's called Onpassive. Please get back to the person who connected you to this video. Find out more now. A Bill Must production.